Hello everyone, this is Karkan from my reviews channel and welcome back to a new video. In today's video I'm going to be giving you tips on how to save battery and hopefully I'll help you out. This is my personal setup and so it may or may not work for you guys, and I'm sure it's going to work for a lot of you, and it helps me a lot. And for those, there's an app that I'm going to be talking about later. It's called the Greenify. For those of you who are not rooted, you can't really do much with this app because it needs root permissions to do its job. Anyway, so let's get to it. First of all, the first thing you need to do if you have a new phone, or if you have a phone for a while but you don't know about it, you need to debloat your phone. Debloat means remove all the pre-installed apps that come with the phone from the factory. Like when you buy a phone from AT&T or Verizon, they come with they come loaded with a lot of apps that are useless I never use, and I just they're just eating your battery. And you can do that by just going to settings, go to application manager, go to all, and look for any app you want to disable, and just click on it. Let's see if this one works. Yeah, Bluetooth share. Just when you click that one, I've already have it turned off and on titanium backup, so it's not gonna work. So let's turn this back on and show you actually again. So go to settings, application manager, go to all, find the S view. I want to turn the S voice, sorry. S voice. So find the S voice. So we couldn't find it. Obviously I didn't turn it on. I think I did. Let's try again. Application manager, and then all. Go find S voice. Right here. Click on it and hit turn off. Pop-up window, turning blah blah blah. It's okay. Just turn it off and let it go. Because they're not going to let you turn off. They're not going to give you the ability to turn off the apps that are actually going to affect your phone in a negative way. So just don't believe that pop-up window unless you're rooted and you're using titanium backup that enables you to freeze any app you want. Then you should be worried. Anyway, so you can do that to all the apps you need to freeze up, and that actually is going to freeze those apps. They're going to be like dead. They're not going to consume battery. You're not going to find them in your app drawer. They're gone. If you want to turn them back on, as I showed you, just go to setting and you go to application manager again, just in case you need this apps again, and you scroll all the way down. This one, you see this one, turned off apps. You just go right here, turned off apps, and then you pick whatever app you turned off, and then you just hit turn on, and you will find it there again. So right here, so you just turn on, and that's it. Another thing that I always do is turn the GPS off. I use the GPS unless I'm navigating. Some of you might use it to see the weather, but I don't really worry about the weather that much, unless if I wanted to see my weather, I just drop down, click on it on, and then just do my weather. That's all. I turn it back off, and I always make sure it's actually turned off. Press and hold on it, and see everything is off. See, it says location servers are turned off, and that's it. And another thing I always get rid of is the sync. on my Google account. Just to let you know, Google is a battery hog. Google is the worst enemy of your battery. They always have operations running in the background, syncing stuff, getting information, keeping your phone awake, and it's just crazy. So what I do, I go to settings, I go to accounts, I go to my Google account, and hit on my account, and just uncheck all these boxes, all of them. See, now I have one turned on because I turned the GPS. All of them. The only one I sometimes use is this one, the contacts, just in case you have a new contact and you want to save it up to your Google account. Just check it for a moment, and it's gonna sync. And whenever it's done, you just uncheck it. Whenever it's done syncing, you just uncheck it. I'm not gonna wait for it. Uncheck it and then just exit out of it. Same thing with the other account. See this one. This one is gray, and this one is green. It has to be gray in order for you to know it's off. Also, Facebook. Facebook is the second place after Google. Sometimes I put it on first place because it's the same thing. It has a lot of processes running in the background. So what I do, I disable the sync from my settings, and I also go to the app itself. I go to the app setting itself. I turned off the interval. They call it interval refresh, something like that, or interval updates. I turn them off, and all those things that require my phone to wake up and do those things, I turn them off. So that will help you a lot. Just turning off Google and Facebook will actually help you a lot. Also, there's another thing here. It's in settings too. It's just it's a backup and reset. It's a process that it allows your phone to back up all your passwords and all that stuff to Chrome and all other places, and it's really bad for your battery because it does it every now and then. It just wakes your phone while it's asleep. It usually comes with from the factory. They're both checked. But what I do, I check this one, the automatic restore, and then after that, I check I uncheck them both, and that's it. Done. So for these are the what I call the basic things that actually help you save battery. But the other things, the major ones that I really love is these two apps. Wake Lock Detector and Greenify. I cannot ever have a phone without these two apps. I just can't. These two apps, you can get them on a Play Store for free. There is a paid version for the Greenify, and there's a paid version for this one. But the Greenify one, I suggest that you buy it because it enables a lot of other features that you get when you buy it. But this one only enables the widgets and all that, and I really don't need it. With the Greenify, you would need Exposed Framework, which is this guy right here. Whenever you download that app, the Greenify, you go to Modules, and then just make sure it's checked right here, and then reboot. This guy has experimental features, what they call, that work only on when you have what do you call the app enabled and exposed. So Greenify, actually what it does is it puts all the apps that you want to deal with. I mean, you want to take effect on. It puts them all to sleep, to what they call hibernation mode. Let me change the theme here because the writing isn't really that great. Let's go to a basic one so you guys can see it. Let's get the Hulk. No. Let's get the Kit Kat one. Okay, so you can see everything. Okay, so whenever these things, these apps, the Greenify one puts all the apps you have to sleep that you want to put to sleep. And whenever you turn on the experimental features on this module or app, it'll allow you to get notifications even when the app is hibernated, which is really awesome. See, like, it works for non-root people, but when you put it on non-root, it's not going to really work that much. I always put it on the boost mode, best performance and compatibility with exposed. And then see, like, you can check these boxes, keep notifications, wake up, and all these stuff. Basically, these things are they're telling you that on this, the most important thing to me is this one, keep notification, and Greenify system apps. I don't suggest that you Greenify system apps unless you know what you're doing, because it might cause you some problems. But actually, the number one important thing to me is this one, which is the keep notification. That means whenever you're hibernating some apps, and you receive a notification, like let's say you hibernated Facebook and you received a notification from it, Greenify is going to wake it up, give you your notification, and puts it back to sleep. And you got Wake Lock Detector, is the app that detects the wake locks. Wake locks are processes that are caused by applications you have on your phone while your phone is asleep. For those of you who don't know what a deep sleep on the phone is, it's where your phone goes to its minimum performance. All the cores, all the processors stop working. Only one core sometimes, or two of them work on a really low power because you're not using it. See, like the wake time, I have 1%, which is amazing. Sometimes I get 0. So those wake locks are, as I said, are the processes that run in the background and wake your phone from the deep sleep state, and then wakes up all the processors, all those on your phone, and they start draining more battery. The Wake Lock Detector app is actually the app that detects all these wake locks, and it attaches them to Greenify so you can Greenify them. See, like here, and actually you can enable it for the system app. So go to settings, advanced mode. It shows you even the system processes that are waking up your phone. So like now I have Google app. It has 1 minute and 17 seconds, and it did it 122 times. That's a lot. See, like when you go, that shows you like audio in, network, whatever, wake lock, all these things. You can put it to sleep. So now I have like Instagram. See, like it woke up my phone half a second, 3 times. See how low that is? If you want to get rid of it, just Greenify from here. It takes you to Greenify. Do you really want to Greenify Instagram? Yes. It's gone. It says already Greenify. So, yeah, these two apps, Greenify and Wake Lock Detector, are the best apps, and I can never have any, have a phone without these two apps. So I don't think I missed a whole lot, guys. On Greenify, I suggest that you Greenify all the user apps, and by user apps I mean the apps that you have downloaded off of the Play Store, and I'd suggest you stay away from the system apps because they might, as I say, they might cause you problems. And Wake Lock is the app that if you just like all of a sudden you had, like, let's say for example you had all of a sudden you had a battery drain, all of a sudden you don't know what it is. Just go to Wake Lock Detector and it'll show you what's causing your battery drain. Other than that, I don't think I have missed anything else. If I have missed anything, please let me know. And hopefully this video will help you or has helped you. Please, if it helped you, just click a like button or subscribe or share if you would like to. And if you have any question, if you didn't like this video, please leave me a comment in the comment section. And if you have any other ideas that you want me to do videos about, I'd be glad to do. And I just started a Twitter account. I'm gonna leave you a link to my Twitter account in in the comment section. So if you have any question, you can throw it on my account there, tweet it to me, and I will be glad to help you. And I also have I have a lot of ideas that that are coming in the future, and I'll be bringing a lot of new fixes, new helpful things to help you guys out. Thank you so much for watching the video. I know it's a long video and I'm so sorry about that, but hopefully it'll help you. And have yourself a great day, and thank you so much, and I'll see you later.